Heaven, everyone. This is Tycoon Wibby, and this is ISTRep.Cash creating TWTs. And today we're going to create the BlockMaker TWT. And of course, yes, you get here by clicking on this tab right here. It brings you to this page. It reminds you of what a micro IST is, just in case, yes, you would like to create something larger than a micro IST. Yeah, you're just going to have to wait or go build your website that caters to milli and mega ISTs. Alrighty. Heaven. Let's get this on the road. Click open this block maker right here, yeah? And we let that pop on up. And a block maker is so that you can add miners together and package them up inside of an IST so that they can become an income instrument. So we'll just name it whatever we like. Yeah, that's a good name for it, right? List of miners, and we'll just put a fake miner name in here. Yeah, and we'll say that we have one of those miners, and we'll say that mine, it's mining, oh, let's just say BTC. BC Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, we're mining some whole Bitcoin Cash, and it says our daily estimated income. Oh, about 22 bucks a day. Yeah, and of course, yes, when you get a miner or before you purchase a miner, they have the websites and they have the daily estimated income, and we'll just be using that. And we click this plus button right here. You see, I like to change colors, and this right here update to let us yes what's in the actual database. And we see that we have a max MEI here of 669.16, and this is the monthly estimated income. And so we'll just bring that on down here, and we'll look at it, and we'll see what we would like our MVI to be. And you see that it has the percentages, yes, and their relational values, yes. And we'll just pick one of those, and I always like the 60, 70, or 80% so that we can keep some. And let's just go ahead and go with the 80%. We'll just copy that here. Yeah, come on down here, your favorite MVI, and we'll paste that in there, and we'll move on to the next BlockMaker Varii TWT, sub TWT, yes, and we'll see that we have our monthly TFC, which is the monthly total fiat to crypto. So I earned 20 bucks, I'm going to take 10 bucks, I'm going to turn it into some type of cryptocurrency, and with that cryptocurrency I'll make my IST payment, yes. And so that is the total fiat to crypto. T's taken out, yeah. And we have our MVI here, and we have our ITD, which is the IST time duration, as we remember, yeah. And it depends on how long we like this to go for. If I'm rolling up miners into an IST instrument, I'm gonna do like 6 years, yeah, because I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna do 6 years. So at 6 years, we put our MTFC in here. We come over here, copy this, yeah, come down here, yeah, paste that in, and we see we got a 6-year ITD. And then we have to go into how much would I like to raise as capital. Yes, because the IST is saying that I'm going to push this number here, this 33,000 something something, to the network over 6 years. Yes, and what I like to get from that today, let's say I'm going to push 33, I'd like to get, let's say, 26, right? 70, 80%. We'll just go with 80% here. And we'll put our VCR in there, our Varii capital raise, and we got the platform fee. We're actually going to be using eCash for this one, so we'll just make that a 0. And for the eCash transaction fee, we always do 5.1, which is the average number of eCash it costs per transaction times the cost of eCash, which is very, very low, and we end up with 0.0001517878. And so we'll copy this, and we'll come in here and we'll paste this as the transaction fee, and voila, we have to look at our TWT. Yes, and to make this easier for us and to make our TWT look good, we'll just put a 2 there. Go ahead and sum that guy up there and get our TWT looking back good. And so we come down here because our TWT is what allows us to take it from the brain and put it into a space where we can see it, yes, and we get to make a logical decision on what type of instrument we would like to create. Is it going to deliver 1 penny, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, $1? And I like to look at the linking values, yes, with the PARI, the MIP, the STP, and the hashtag T. And I like to go as far into it as we can, and because we are doing the eCash blockchain with its very, very low transaction fee, we see that even at a penny, this particular IST is profitable. Yeah, so you can buy it at 57 cents and they will have made 12 cents. And because this one actually makes a profit, we will use the penny. Yes, please excuse me. So yes, we will use the penny for this particular IST because it allows me to have 4,068 for 2 tokens, and I love lots and lots and lots of tokens because it brings the price down. Yes, and I'd rather pay 57 cents and make 12 cents. That's who's thinking about that, yeah? So we're going to go ahead and press the penny, and we're going to let all the magic in the back happen and wait till it takes us to our next page, which will allow us to view our singular selected TWT. We come on over here, we click that button, yes, and we see that in the BlockMaker column we have our BlockMaker TWT, and this is the TWT pop-up, and it displays the coin name, miner name, the number of miners, the EDI, and the MEI. And then here we have our singular breakdown of our TWT, and we picked a penny over 6 years, and you end up making a profit of 12 cents with only having to spend. Here we moved it up a bit, 58 cents. Yes, and of course, as always, you can download your TWTs to play with, display, use however you like. Alrighty, everyone, this has been Tycoon Wibby for ISTRep.Cash showing you the BlockMaker TWT. Heaven, heaven, I love you all.